Welcome to the channel, viewers. Australia's Gambling Epidemic, Episode 8, The Sound of Silence. Let me ask you, viewers, when does a family stop talking without anyone noticing? Dinner used to be noisy, everyone spoke at once. His son talked about football, his daughter laughed through stories from school. His wife complained that nobody ever let her finish a sentence. It was ordinary, it was home. Then the pauses became longer. Andrew still sat at the table every night, his plate was still full. His chair was always occupied, but his phone rested beside his fork. Every vibration pulled his attention away. Every glance lasted only a few seconds. Nobody interrupted him anymore. They simply continued talking without expecting an answer. Weeks passed by. His daughter stopped telling long stories. His son stopped asking for advice. His wife stopped repeating questions that had already gone unheard. And the silence didn't arrive all at once. It settled into the house one meal at a time. One evening the power went out during dinner. The television switched off. The lights disappeared. The Wi-Fi died. For the first time in months, there was no notifications, no live odds, no betting markets, only candlelight. Only the four of them. Nobody knew what to say. His children looked at each other. His wife quietly stirred a tea. Andrew realised they'd forgotten how to have dinner together. Not because they no longer loved one another, but because they had slowly stopped sharing themselves. The electricity returned 20 minutes later. The television came back. His phone buzzed almost immediately. He looked at the screen, then at his family, and for the first time in a long time, he turned the phone over without reading the notification. The room stayed quiet, but it wasn't the same silence anymore. For the first time in years, it sounded like there was still something left worth saving. And that's part of Australia's gambling epidemic.